We've had a lot of partnerships with our local universities, like East Carolina University's one. We had an engineering professor come and tour just to show him what we have. And he looked around and he was seeing, oh, this thing you have here, my college juniors do the exact same thing. And then we had an engineer who come in from the Netherlands, and he works on bridge design specifically, like building bridges and fundamentals and like security. And he came in our SmartLab and he was like, I did that when I was in grad school. And it's more of problem solving. So I tell the students, once you graduate high school and your car light comes on, what are you gonna do? Are you just gonna like freak out and not do anything? They're like, well, I'm gonna try to figure out what it is. Bingo. It changes the mindset. My first set of students are now sophomores and juniors in college. I'm starting to see from their professors about how like you're different than the rest of these students. So it's not necessarily anything I can say, but you gotta see it, right? Once you see it, you'll know.